We're good. We're good. Start smashing it. If it'll break. Damn. That's all metal that you're beating up too. I think some dust came out of it.
Oh shit.
Ah! Oh. Oh. Oh.
Holy fuck.
Oh. Damn. Ah. Alright, there's the motor right there. Let's get that.
Oh shit. Hey, I always see the hammer now.
Ah.
Woo! That was fun.
Let's see if there's a motor in that. I don't know if there is or not. Ah! Ah! Yeah, I can just send you the whole video. I got a whole video here. I'm gonna post it on YouTube too.
And mine. And mine.
Yeah, don't do it in front of their driveway. Push it up some. 'Cause they got pissed the other day.
If anybody comes down the driveway and it's shit,
Yeah,
they call the cops. I dealt with them the other day.
I
Somebody's calling you. Honey? Somebody's calling you.
That's not breaking. I'm canceling this video. Okay.